Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so here is your test review. Okay, so for number 1, we are stating the theorem or postulate used to prove the triangles are congruent. I have a side given right there. Okay, got a right angle back and forth. They share a side back to back. So there's my other side. So we're looking at S, A, S for our first one. Okay, that's all we're looking for. Okay. Now over here, these are parallel lines, which means that alternate interior angles will be congruent. Same for up top. Okay, cool. Now also we've got a pair of vertical lines here, or vertical angles rather, in the middle. So you have a few options that you can take a look at. You're right. So we got A, all over the place, and we got a side here. You could either put A, S, A, angle, side, angle, or angle, angle, side. So you have two options. You only have to give one, but you're all good. Okay, triangle CAT has coordinates C01, A43, and T4-1. Using coordinate geometry to prove the triangle is isosceles. So 01's right here. Okay, 43 is right there. And 4-1 is right there. Okay, that's supposed to be a 1. That's absolutely terrible. Alright, now I can go ahead and draw my triangle. Now I'm willing to bet that those two sides will be the same. So I'm going to do distance formula from these two. Okay, so 01 and 43 first. So distance formula will be given to you. It's right here. Okay, so here's my x1, y1, x2, y2. Here we go. Distance is x2 minus x1, 4 minus 0, squared, plus 3 minus 1, squared. Okay. So, 4 minus 0 is 4, 4 squared is 16, 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 squared is 4, and then square root of 20. Now, what I can do is take this, and I can say your batteries are low. Haha, square root of 20 gives me 4.47. So approximately 4.47. Alright. So that was from 01 to 43. Now I'm going to go 01 to 4-1. x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay. So we can plug things right in here again. 4 minus 0 squared plus -1 minus, -1 minus 1. Squared. Okay. Here's where you gotta be careful. 4 squared is 16. -1 minus 1 is -2. When I do -2 squared, be careful. You have to put in your calculator parentheses around it. Okay? You get a positive 4. So it's 16 plus 4, which is square root of 20. And then that's going to end up being 4.47. Okay? So you've just proved two sides the same. Therefore, triangle CAT is isosceles. Bless you. You're welcome. Alright, number 4. DEF are midpoints to sides. So they're telling you that CB right here is 6x plus 4. They're telling you DF is 4x minus 4. Alright, since this is a mid-segment, you need to double this. Okay? You times the inside by 2. And you make it equal to the outside. So if I distribute that 2 in, 8x minus 8 equals 6x plus 4. You have to do 2 times the inside. Okay? From here, get all the x's on one side. 2x minus 8 equals 4. I can add 8 over, plus 8, plus 8. I get 2x equals 12. Divide both sides by 2. X equals 6. You're so close to being done. What's the length of EB? EB is right here. Keep in mind it's getting cut in half over here. Take 6, plug it back in. 6 times 6 plus 4. 36 plus 4 is 40. So if I want EB, it's just going to equal half of 40, which is 20. Okay? Good. Can a triangle have side lengths 3.5 feet, 4.3 feet, and 7.9 feet? Show work and explain your answer. You take the two small ones, and you add them together, and you're seeing if it's bigger than 7.9. So if I add them together, I get 7.8. 7.8 is not bigger than 7.9, therefore, no, won't form a triangle. Okay. If this was bigger, then you're going to be in good shape. Alright, number 6. Use a diagram to arrange the measures from angles from least to greatest. Alright, this is really simple. Find your smallest side. So between 23, 25, and 28, right here. You go opposite of it. So my smallest angle is angle C. Okay, my next smallest side is 25. Go opposite of it. Angle A. And then finally, my largest side is 28. Go opposite of it. Angle B. You're all set. Okay? Cool. The heavy hitter one's in the back. Find the values of x and y using the following diagram of triangle lat. So if these are the same, you're looking for congruent sides, then these are the same. 7x plus 9 equals 5x plus 15. Okay? So we're setting that up. And it helps that it's like they're the only x's there. Subtract 5x over. Okay? 2x plus 9 equals 15. We can subtract 9 over. 2x equals 6. X equals 3. Okay. I gotta plug this back in. So down here, 5 times 3 plus 15. So 5 times 3 is 15, plus 15 is 30 degrees. I can do the same over here, but guess what? It's gonna be the same thing. So 30 and 30. Alright. 30 and 30 is 60. 180 minus 60 is 120. So I know that that's what this has to equal. 3y minus 6 equals 120. Add 6 over. Divide by 3. 42. Okay? So definitely one of the tougher ones. You're just putting solve for x, plug it back in, use your knowledge of triangles. Okay. This one, you have to know the exterior angle theorem. The two inside add together to equal the outside. So 7x plus 22 plus 4x plus 25 equals the outside. 13x plus 23. Okay, so I'm going to combine like terms on the left-hand side. 11x. Combine like terms. Plus 47 equals 13x plus 23. Okay. I'm going to subtract 11x over. 47 equals 2x plus 23. I'm going to subtract 23 over. Divide by 2. X is 12. Cool. Well, I'm going to plug this back in. Okay? So I'm going to plug it back in. 13 times 12 plus 23. Okay. 13 times 12 plus 23. 179. So this angle right here is 179 degrees. If I want to find 1, just do 180. I'm sorry, I want to find 1. If I want to find y, just do 180 minus 179 to get me 1. So y equals 1 degree. Okay? And yes, it's okay to have a 1 degree angle. Alright, so keep that in mind. It's just a 1-2 punch, and you're in good shape. Alright. Alright guys, last question. Complete the following. Give an example of a third side length that will make a triangle. Okay, so if I add these together, 3 plus 21, which gives me 24 inches. This third side length has to be less than that. Okay, so a possible side length, right, could be 23 inches. Okay, so you want to add them and you also want to subtract them. 21 minus 3 is 18. So you want to be somewhere in between. Okay, somewhere in between. Now, one that will not make a triangle is just anything that's not between 24 and 18. So you could pick like a 4-inch side. Okay? There's literally an infinite amount of answers you could possibly pick there. Alright? So, as always, keep up the good work. Good luck there. Good luck on this test. As always, good luck for all accounting.